Welcome back to Ben's Beauty. We're a quick tutorial on your eye device. This is just a stand where you can put it on your table. The device itself turns on just the same. It has a whole button in the back. You hold it for 3 seconds, 1, 2, and 3. It turns on. It always goes to the blue automatically. The mode you want to start on is on the blinking red and blue. Same thing, you just click on the mode and it changes mode on you. So it goes to red. One more time, it turns into red and blue. The reason we use this mode is because it's giving you the red light treatment, blue light treatment. The device gets warm to help with circulation, and obviously the radio frequency also. Okay, as you start, you're going to use your eye serum. And the eye serum is basically so that it runs smooth. You're not pulling on your skin. So you want to use enough for it to be able to glide. The actual serum itself, okay, the way you go, one dot, spread it on 2 fingers, go around your eyes, and then 1 dot on the device. You spread it on the device and you start the process. The device, you're going to use it on top of your eye, slide to the side, 1, 2, 1, 2, and you can do that for a couple of minutes, and then you go down to release the fluids. So 1, 2, 1, 2, down, 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 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, down, down, down. You do 2 minutes. 2 minutes, the device turns off on its own also. This one you can use every day without a problem. I prefer to do it in the morning because that's when we hold most of the fluids. But it's very, very powerful, really good. Again, make sure that we're using enough serum so that it glides too, it doesn't pull on you, and you'll see results quickly. Thank you for visiting Ben's Beauty.